Hey loves, welcome to yet another video. This is my maintenance vlog. So first thing that I did was to go for this is something I haven't done in like forever, but I'm just at that point where wearing a wig is just so irritating. Like I honestly can't handle it. I tried it for a week and yeah, it was just not comfortable at all, and my hair is short on the sides, so I needed a hairstyle that I could like manage, because also guys, braids are so heavy. One thing about me, I genuinely don't like heavy hairstyles. They just become like, they just give me headaches and whatever. So I just thought, you know what, let me get back to some sewing and see how this one goes. Otherwise, if you are new, welcome, and if you're a 10 subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in for yet another video. So I got my hair done on a Saturday. um Went there around 3 p.m, and honestly that is the only thing that I did that day. So this is a 2 days maintenance vlog, because honestly my weekend was just very hectic. Like I had a lot to do and I genuinely wanted to just pamper myself and look cute and whatever. Absolutely love this color. So those of you who like follow me on Instagram and had just been following my posts and everything, you'd know that sometime last year I got my hair colored. So I used the color beige blonde, which is giving, I don't know, brown and whatever, which perfectly matches this hair color for some whatever reason. Then this was the following day, like on a Sunday, after having a hectic day. Okay, as the video continues, you realize how red my eyes were. So the first thing that I did was just to clean up my armpits. I've just noticed that now it's winter and I wear like a lot of long sleeves, like clothes that cover me. But I'm just like, this hair is not looking cute. I know that my armpits are always covered, but this is not looking cute. It needs to go. Then after that, I did this dermaplaning. Guys, this word always, like, it always tricks me. So the first thing that I did was to apply some oil onto my skin, because child, you don't want to shave that face dry. Okay, so I firstly washed my face, just to get rid of any dirt and just the product that was on my skin. Then from there I applied this oil. I got the oil from Full Silky. If possible, I'll like link all the products that I used in the description box, so that it's just easy for you guys to get. Absolutely love doing this, like absolutely love shaving my face. Also used this blades that I also got from Full Silky. This was actually like a part of a PR package that they sent me for their 2 years celebration, if I'm not lying. Honestly, the time I got the PR package, my life was just a mess. So I didn't like really follow through or post any content. So I just hope whatever I'm saying, it's right. But yeah, I got the stuff from Full Silky. Absolutely been loving this whole face shaving. I don't know, man. I just love it. Then from there, I decided to groom my eyebrows. I just let my eyebrows grow for like a month or two, just to see how bushy it can be and whatever. So I was just like, you know what, this is not looking cute at all. So I had to make sure that I groom them. I think I prefer them groomed than them just being bushy, because bushy, oh, it's me saying my eyebrows are bushy. My goodness. But yeah, I just groomed them using the same blade that I used for my face, because like, why should I change a blade if I used it on my face and I'm still gonna like use it on my face? So with this step, you really need to like be careful, take your time. If you can't, I'll suggest that you go to professionals and they comb your eyebrows for you. Otherwise, if you know how to draw eyebrows, you can like do that. Just draw your eyebrows and then cut any excess hair that you'd usually conceal. I think that way the whole process will just be easy. And then from there, I just used my wipes to wipe off the product that was on my eyebrows. So just be careful, like not to cut yourself and whatever, because it's not gonna look cute and it's not gonna be nice at all. Then from there, I just continued with my skincare. So this is my night skincare routine. It's not something I do all the time. I don't like toner, or maybe let me just say I'm lazy to apply toner. So it's not like always where I go in with the toner. So, but like on days where I'm like really invested in doing my skincare routine, I definitely incorporate everything. And one thing about me, I'll apply a serum. Trust me, I apply 3 serums in my like in the morning. Okay, like my skincare routine just involves a whole lot of serums, just depending on the mood and whatever. So that's just my skin glowing, whatever. Then from there, I decided to plug on some lashes. Been enjoying this DIY individual lash extensions, if I'll even say they're individual. Guys, I never know what to say. Like, even like when people ask me, what are your lashes, individual or strip? I'm just like, they're in between, because they're not like a full strip and they're not like individuals. So I never really know what to say, but I've been enjoying these lashes. Like, they're really, I like, they're a game changer. Okay, I got this ones from Lash Life. Been loving them. Like, the whole application is just so easy, so seamless and beautiful. You can literally play around with the sizes. Here I used 16 millimeters, 14, 10, 12 millimeters and 10 millimeters. I would sometimes use 14 millimeters. Honestly, it just depends on the look that I want to go for. You can keep these lashes for up to 5 days. My eyes get irritated very easily, so in my case, I usually keep them for like 2 days, 3 days, and then I use the remover, like this remover thing that you use just to like, so that when you pull them out, they don't like damage your natural eyelashes. But I absolutely love them. They are so comfortable, man, and they're just a game changer. Like, the fact that you do it at home in less than 15 minutes and you keep them for like a whole week or so, for me that's a 10. I know that. And also they're reusable, so when you feel like, okay, if they are falling off or you just want to remove them, you just return them to their container, and then you get the solution, you wash them, and then you reuse. Like, that is really economic in my case, because if you go to like a lash tech, you end up spending 400 or something for lashes that will last you for a month, and after that you must go for a refill. I don't know, man, but in my case, they make so much sense, knowing that some days I can like wear them, and when I feel like my eyes are just irritated or I don't feel like lashes, I can just take them off and store them. I don't know. What do you guys think? There you can just see that my eyes are red, guys. It's not because of the lashes. I was genuinely exhausted from having a hectic weekend. So yeah, man, that's all that I did for my maintenance day. Honestly, this was done at night because on Monday I had so much to do, so I could not miss maintaining myself, because as I've said, guys, I'm trying to have my Sundays just to myself. This one was not one of them, but I really had to squeeze in some me time and do all the things that make me feel good and look good. Otherwise, I hope you guys are doing well and taking good care of yourselves. So yeah, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye.